Hello everyone. Today I will guide you about how you can connect your Wi-Fi enabled wall switch plate to the eWeLink Android application through your Wi-Fi router connection. So let's start now. For this process, you need to install eWeLink application from Google Play Store. Open Google Play Store and now search for eWeLink application. In this mobile phone, I have already installed this application, so I will just open it. After opening the application, register your account with email ID or phone number and then sign in. Now you need to turn your switch plate into connection mode. To do this, please press any of the touch button and keep it pressed for some seconds until lights start blinking. Now I have blinking light on my switch plate. It means I can connect it to the application. Now tap on the plus sign . Here is a quick pairing tab, so click here. You need to add your Wi-Fi ID and password here and then click Next. After doing this, application will search for the device. Now your switch plate device is registering with your application. Now this process is completed. Please enter the name for your room here. I will enter drawing room here. You can enter whatever you want. You can see all lights are stable now. It means you can turn your switches on or off from your phone application. There are also some options in the settings menu. Let's see here. LAN mode is an option to use your device without internet connection via your local area network of the Wi-Fi router. In the power on state, you can set either your device will resume or turn off or turn on after power restore. So people, these are the main features of the device, those I explained. That's all for now. Hope you can connect your device easily. In the future video, I will explain about how to connect eWeLink account with the Google Assistant or Google Home. So please subscribe to my channel for future videos. Goodbye for now.